Welcome to our in-depth exploration of what is it like to be in the trenches, advocating for victims as a personal injury attorney. These are the legal experts who step in when accidents occur, whether on the open road or even right in our homes or workplaces. Our justice system is built on the principle of accountability, and nowhere is that more evident than in the world of personal injury law. But before we proceed, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and click that notification bell for you to get updates as we explore new topics for What Is It Like? Being an accident attorney is not a job for the faint-hearted. It calls for sharp legal knowledge, quick thinking, deep empathy, and above all, an unwavering commitment to justice. From auto accidents to workplace mishaps, from medical malpractice to product liabilities, the realm of personal injury law is vast, complex, and deeply entwined with the fabric of our everyday lives. Now, imagine you're riding on the highway, the wind rushing past you, not a care in the world, and then in an instant, everything changes. A truck barrels into your lane, and your world turns upside down. You've become a statistic in the growing number of road accident victims. But amidst the chaos and pain, one person is fighting for you, standing in your corner, your motorcycle accident lawyer. Today, we invite you to join us as we venture behind the scenes, unraveling the layers of this challenging profession. This journey promises to shed light on how these legal warriors champion the rights of their clients, navigate the choppy waters of court proceedings, and find the satisfaction of a case well won. In the life of a personal injury attorney, every sunrise brings a new set of challenges and opportunities. It's a dynamic world where no 2 days are the same, each case presenting a unique set of circumstances that must be navigated with precision and astute legal knowledge. The day begins in the heart of a bustling office, amid a flurry of phone calls and the steady hum of diligent case research. As an accident attorney, one must be ready to dive deep into the minutiae of each case, studying medical reports, scrutinizing police records, and understanding the intricacies of insurance policies. Collaboration is key in this sphere. Personal injury attorneys often work closely with investigative teams to meticulously gather and analyze evidence. They study photographs, CCTV footage, and witness statements, leaving no stone unturned in the quest for truth. Their responsibilities also entail negotiating with insurance companies, a task that calls for a blend of diplomatic finesse and steadfast determination. These negotiations play a critical role in securing fair compensation for their clients, making each conversation a high-stakes battle of wits. But the job isn't purely about data and negotiations. It's also about understanding human stories and striving to rectify wrongs. Whether acting as a motorcycle accident lawyer fighting for an injured client's right to compensation, or a personal injury attorney seeking justice for a family devastated by medical negligence. These legal professionals dedicate themselves to turning the scales of justice in favor of those wronged. This is a day in the life of a personal injury lawyer, a life filled with dedication, rigor, and the relentless pursuit of justice. Imagine the adrenaline-fueled rush that permeates the air as a personal injury attorney steps onto the grand stage of the courtroom. This hallowed space, steeped in tradition and decorum, symbolizes our justice system in its purest form. Here, attorneys undergo a transformative process, metamorphosing from meticulous researchers to formidable advocates. This is the arena where hours of diligent groundwork come to fruition in the form of passionate pleas and riveting repartee that captivate the room. For an accident attorney, the courtroom is the strategic battleground that tests their mettle. They stand as the representative and voice for those whose stories might otherwise go unheard, and their actions have a singular focus: to secure justice for their clients. The audience to this spectacle is none other than the judge and the jury, each hanging onto the lawyer's every word, their decision swayed by the compelling narrative skillfully woven to illustrate the client's ordeal. The courtroom serves as a crucible where an attorney's strategic prowess and negotiation acumen are put through the ringer. Each case presents a unique set of challenges that need to be meticulously deconstructed and resolved. For instance, a motorcycle accident lawyer might face the daunting task of establishing a client's innocence amidst adverse road conditions or preconceived biases. Every case is akin to a complex puzzle waiting to be solved, and each victory is a triumphant testament to the attorney's dedication, skill, and resilience. However, the courtroom is not merely a conduit for legal discourse. It's the veritable canvas where the art of persuasion, the power of storytelling, and the relentless pursuit of truth converge. The stakes are high, the tension almost palpable, creating a crucible that tests the attorney's skill, grit, and resolve. For personal injury attorneys, the courtroom is the beating heart of their profession, an epicenter of conflict resolution, and most importantly, the dispenser of justice. It's here that they strive to ensure that the scales of justice tip in favor of the wronged, cementing their crucial role in the fabric of our society. In the world of a personal injury attorney, the heart of their practice lies not in the paperwork or the courtroom, but in their interactions with their clients. This is where law meets humanity, where an attorney's skills and expertise are applied to make a tangible difference in the lives of individuals. From the moment a client walks through the door, burdened with the aftermath of an accident, the attorney's role extends beyond the legal sphere. As an accident attorney or a motorcycle accident lawyer, it is crucial to create an environment of trust and empathy, where clients feel heard, understood, and reassured. These interactions involve more than just the legal specifics of a case. It's about helping clients navigate the complex maze of personal injury law, breaking down the legalese into comprehensible terms, explaining their rights, and setting realistic expectations for their cases. Working late into the night, personal injury lawyers dedicate themselves to each case, knowing that their work has the potential to alleviate the suffering of their clients and secure the compensation they deserve. They are the beacon of hope for those feeling lost in the aftermath of an accident, and these interactions serve as a constant reminder of the importance and impact of their work. Above all, these relationships are about trust, about helping clients feel confident that their case is in capable hands. These connections formed in the office lay the foundation for the battle fought in the courtroom, a battle that is won not just with legal prowess, but also with deep understanding of the client's plight. This video brings the humane aspect of a personal injury lawyer's job into focus, highlighting the importance of empathy and communication in their line of work. It also subtly underscores the lawyer's dedication and hard work, thereby raising the overall esteem of the profession. Now that we've delved into the life and work of a personal injury attorney, let's illustrate these insights with a case study. This narrative encapsulates the challenges and victories expected by a motorcycle accident lawyer. Imagine an accident scene, a collision between a motorcycle and a large truck on a busy highway. The motorcyclist, our client, sustained serious injuries due to the truck driver's negligence. The lawyer's first step was to assemble an investigative team to recreate the incident scene, gather evidence, and collate eyewitness statements. These findings formed the backbone of the case, presenting a clear picture of the truck driver's liability. Then came the negotiations with the truck driver's insurance company. Despite their attempts to undermine the claim, our determined attorney held firm, utilizing the gathered evidence to substantiate the demand for a fair settlement. When negotiations reached an impasse, the attorney took the case to court. Here, They leverage their legal knowledge and persuasive skills, showcasing the clear link between the truck driver's negligence and the client's injuries. And after weeks of painstaking work and tireless advocacy, the lawyer's efforts bore fruit. The jury ruled in the client's favor, awarding substantial compensation for the client's injuries and suffering. This case serves as a shining example of a personal injury lawyer's dedication to their client and their relentless pursuit of justice. Being a personal injury attorney isn't just about winning cases. It's about seeking justice and advocating for those who can't. From auto accidents to medical malpractice, these legal professionals dedicate their lives to righting wrongs and helping clients reclaim their lives. Whether it's an accident attorney or a motorcycle accident lawyer, the profession is demanding yet immensely rewarding. In the pursuit of justice, every case won is a life potentially changed for the better, and that's the driving force behind every personal injury lawyer's dedication. Thank you for joining us on this behind-the-scenes journey. If you found this content valuable, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us create more informative and engaging content for our audience. Remember, if you or a loved one has been in an accident, a personal injury attorney can guide you through the process and fight for the justice you deserve. Thank you for watching. Stay informed, stay safe, and remember, justice always prevails.